Hello guys, how are you? Meta here. So today I'll show you how to root your phone with Magisk. Here I'll give you the older version 23, because it is the best version I've used till date. This version has a speciality of searching online and installing them in the Magisk version itself. So first of all, grab the file and go to your TWRP. Here you just need to go to the install section. Wait for the touch drivers to load. It takes about 5 seconds. Now when the drivers are loaded, go to the install section and down below you will see the Magisk app that I have given. Select that and just swipe to flash. Now it will take about 6 to 10 seconds to flash the AppK, as it's not a very heavy file. So let's wait for the installation to complete. It's not necessary, but you can wipe your cache, Dalvik cache. And when you are done with that, go to your reboot and then system and just reboot your phone. Now wait for the phone to reboot. I'll just skip that part here. Now when your phone has rebooted, you will go to the app drawer and see that there's an app by the name Magisk, but it's not fully installed yet, so just connect your internet. So I connected my Wi-Fi and now we will go to the app drawer and you can see that there's a Magisk version and it's not completely installed yet. Just click on it, it will ask you to install and just click OK. Then it will ask permission to install the full app on your phone, just allow it. Here you can see that our Magisk has been flashed and now our phone is rooted. Just don't do anything that needs updation or anything. You can see that my safety net has been failing and now I'll show you a fix on how to fix it. Come back to the main menu and then you will see that there's a setting icon on the top right, and scroll a bit downwards and you will see that there's an option for Magisk hide. I accidentally tapped on this one. Now select the Magisk hide and on it. Now come back to the main menu and in the bottom you will see there's a shield. Click on that and you will see Magisk hide. Here you can hide any app that you want. Now we have to hide our Google Play services. Just tap on it, enable everything, and now we'll go and check our safety net fix. And there's a reminder not to update your Magisk app. So now let's run a safety net fix and you can see that my device is already showing success, but now we will try it again and you will see that my device has been passing the safety net fix. So in the next video I'll show you how to install modules and such. Till then, take care and goodbye.
Continue.